Thermostats control different system modes by sending specific control signals from the R terminal to the appropriate output terminal to command the HVAC equipment what to do. A multistage thermostat uses distinct terminals to manage fan, cooling, and heating, so it connects R to G for the fan, R to Y for cooling, and R to W for heat. And for systems with multiple stages, it pulses or energizes additional outputs like Y2 or W2 to call higher stages. Set the thermostat to match the system type so the control logic maps correctly, and avoid configuring a single-stage thermostat on a multi-stage system. Use a learned wiring checklist where you first confirm power is present at the R terminal, then verify continuity between R and each control terminal when activated, so you can trace which relay or board input responds. When a cooling call engages, check the outside compressor contactor receives 24-volt control and the indoor fan relay is commanded appropriately to ensure proper airflow. During a heating call, confirm the heat source control receives the heat demand signal and any sequence delays are observed so the system does not short cycle. For multi-stage operation, allow the thermostat to use a stage lockout and a minimum runtime to prevent rapid toggling and set temperature differentials, or staging thresholds to match manufacturer guidance. So each stage runs long enough to affect room temperature. Common mistakes include misconfiguring the thermostat type, which can leave stages unused, or switch stages at the wrong times. So verify the installer settings match the system model and change the thermostat setup to multi-stage if needed. Another frequent issue is missing common power, which causes intermittent or failed control signals, and the fix is to add a common wire or use a powered adapter kit so the thermostat has stable 24-volt power. The third concern is ignoring fan control sequencing, which can cause poor dehumidification or comfort problems. So set the fan to follow the heating or cooling stages and use programmable fan delays or separate fan control logic when your system requires it. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting users search and connect with professionals near them and share project details. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community, where homeowners and tradespeople exchange practical tips and real job experiences.